Have you ever wondered to yourself, how would my life be if I was able to make money every single day by doing something that I absolutely love? Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain to you guys how you can do just that by becoming a full-time content creator. So in today's video, that's going to be our topic, how to become a full-time content creator. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just get right into this video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Tiara, and on this channel I teach you guys all things related to business and finance. If you are not new here, thank you guys for being a part of the community. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys all the details that I know and everything that I have experienced as becoming a full-time content creator. So let's talk about exactly what a content creator is. A content creator is going to be someone who creates content, and you're going to make an income from creating that content. So the way things are now, there's so many different ways that you can make money online. As a content creator, you're going to get paid to post videos, you're going to get paid to create reels, and it's going to be so many different opportunities within becoming a content creator where you're able to make multiple streams of income. So let's talk about how do you actually become a content creator. So the first thing you want to do is decide exactly what it is that you may have knowledge in, decide exactly what it is that you love to do, and things that may come to you naturally without you having to force yourself to do it. So when it comes to posting your content, you want to make sure that you're able to do something that you absolutely love, because you're going to have to come up with a consistent schedule for yourself so that you can take this serious, so that you too can become full-time to begin making streams of income for yourself. So the first thing you're going to decide is what it is that I like to do. What you can do is write out a list of things that you may know. You want to write out things that people may already come to you for advice on. You want to write out things that you may already have a lot of experience in. And what you're going to do is you're going to choose a specific niche, however you want to say it. You're going to choose a specific category on what it is that you can talk about. So for instance, on this YouTube channel, I teach you guys different things pertaining to things that's going to help you within your business and things that's going to help you within your finance. So my sub niche would be business, but my actual niche is finance. So you're going to choose what kind of niche you want, and different examples of this would be things related to maybe you considering talking about food. You're going to be in the food industry. You can be in the entertainment industry. You can be in the teaching industry. You can get into the fitness industry. Whatever it is that you already have a lot of knowledge in, you want to choose that specific category, but then you want to try to subdivide that into a smaller niche so that you can have different topics within that niche. So for instance, again, on this channel, I teach you guys business and finance. Finance is going to be my overall category, but my sub niche is going to be things like business grants, how to start a business, how to build business credit. These are all different subcategories within finance itself. So you want to choose different topics that you have experience in and things that you are relatable in so that you can begin making content around that category. So once you know the niche that you're going to go into, now you want to decide if you're going to go onto one platform or if you want to try to go onto all platforms. Now, this can be kind of tricky depending on your circumstance and how much time freedom you may have to dedicate to becoming a full-time content creator. So the first way you can become a full-time content creator is by choosing one specific platform. When you choose that one specific platform, this means that you're going to go all in on posting content on that specific platform. But another way you can do this, if you may have more time within your business to grow your company as a full-time content creator, you can choose to post on all platforms. So when I say all platforms, this is going to be related to Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, as well as YouTube. So the way you can go about doing it this second way is by taking one video. So let's say, for instance, you're doing shorts. You want to take that one video and you want to post it to all of the platforms that you are currently on. And then if you're on YouTube as well, which I highly recommend you to get on YouTube because it's going to be passive income, you're going to take that video and you're going to turn it into a long form video like this one. So you're going to take a long form video and you're going to decide how much time that you have within your company to work on your business, and you're going to take that long form video and you can take it and create short videos so that you're able to post that one short video onto all of those platforms. But if you're someone who does not have a lot of time, the first option may be best for you, where you're going to focus on building one specific platform and taking that one platform, and after you have grown that platform, then you're going to allow your followers from there to follow you on multiple platforms as you begin to free up more time within your business. Now that you know which platform it is that you're going to actually begin to promote on, let's talk about ways that you can start having content in order for you to post. So a lot of times people say, I don't know what to post. I don't have any content to post. What it is that I'm supposed to create. So now we're living in a time where videos is going to be highly recommended no matter which platform it is that you're getting on. When you're on Instagram, you're always constantly going to see reels. Reels is going to give you a higher reach, the same as with Facebook. If you're on Facebook, Reels on Facebook is the same because they're partnered with Instagram as Meta. If you're on YouTube, now YouTube has shorts, and within having shorts, they're also paying creators just for those shorts. So when you're on TikTok, TikTok as well will begin to pay creators for their short videos. So no matter what platform you choose to be on, you're going to want to make sure that you are incorporating some kind of video into it. And the thing about it is, it don't have to be long videos like this one. Again, on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, and on Facebook, you're able to create videos that are anywhere from 15 seconds to 30 seconds to 60 seconds up until 3 minutes on TikTok, depending on the platform that you are currently working on. So you don't have to put a lot of time and energy into creating these videos. So let's just say, for instance, you're someone who's going to be in the beauty industry, right? You want to create content around whatever your sub niche is, and let's just say you're an upcoming hairstylist or an upcoming makeup artist. If people ask you questions pertaining to that specific niche, you want to begin to create content that's going to be relatable to the target audience. And that's what we're going to discuss next, who it is that you're going to target. But for right now, let's talk about the content that you can create. So you're going to create content related to who your target audience is. And with the target audience, this is going to be the kind of person that you want to begin viewing your content. So let's just say you're in the beauty industry and you're trying to create content around makeup. You're trying to become an upcoming content creator on makeup, right? If you know that people have questions pertaining to what kind of makeup it is that you're using, show different videos showing the best makeup that you like to use, the ones that you highly recommend. Show your top 3, your top 5, whatever it is that you use for your makeup. While you're showing yourself doing your makeup, you want to begin to create content that's going to answer questions that people may ask you on your videos. So once you begin to create this content, you want to make sure that you write a list out of different questions that people may already know you for, and they're asking you these questions about what it is that you use. How do you create the eyebrows to make them look like this? How do you make natural beats? Like whatever questions that you may think of as a beginner, if you're someone who's going to target beginner makeup artists, you want to make sure that you're answering those specific questions. So get a notebook, a pen, and you're going to write out different questions that people may ask you. Another way for you to begin finding content to create around your subcategories is going to be by going on Google and typing in whatever your niche may be. Type it in on Google and see what pops up, see what questions and things that people are searching on Google, because Google is the most searched platform pertaining to finding information. So you want to go on Google and you want to search in whatever your sub niches may be, and you want to begin to answer those questions that you may see. Another place that you can look is here on YouTube. Put in your subcategory in the search bar and it's going to begin to show you different things that people are searching specifically on YouTube as well. Another place that you can begin to find different content ideas is going to be on answerthepublic.com. So on answerthepublic.com, they'll give you a couple of free trials so that you're able to see exactly how it works. But depending on how much you're trying to go on there, you will begin to have to pay for that specific platform, and that's going to be a fee of $97 a month if you find it to be helpful. But like I said, if you're just starting out and you're just now getting into becoming a content creator, you don't have to go ahead and get on Answer the Public right now. Just go ahead and get on Google, get on Pinterest, and look up these different topics within your niche so that you can get ideas of what it is that people may be looking for. Another thing that you can do is get on your platforms and say, hey, I'm an upcoming content creator in whatever your niche may be, and you want to say, what questions do you guys have for me? If you have family members or you have friends that you can call upon and you can ask them, what questions or concerns do you have within this industry? So you want to find different ideas where you're able to be relatable to the person that you are specifically targeting for your content. So when it comes to creating that content, begin becoming a full-time content creator. Once you begin to schedule out your content and you're consistent and you're building your business, you want to make sure that you keep posting. No matter how many views you are getting on those videos, just keep posting. Again, like I told you guys, go back and you're going to write down specifically how many videos you can get out within a week. So if you know that you can post 3 short videos a week, make sure you are constantly posting those videos every single week. If you know that you can get a video out at least once every day, make sure that you are posting that video. You want to first begin building your brand online so that you can attract other people to your page. Now, once you begin to build your platform with Facebook and with Instagram, it's going to be an invite only. And now with Facebook, they have it where you're able to apply so that when it's time for you to begin monetizing that platform, they can notify you to let you know. And I think, don't quote me on it because I'm already monetized on Facebook, but I want to say it's a certain amount of views and it's a certain amount of followers you already have to have before you can apply into the program on Facebook and on Instagram. So if you qualify, you can go ahead and you can submit over that application so that they can approve it for you. And once you are approved, every time you begin to post content, even if it's just a post on your Facebook and on your Instagram, they'll begin to pay you for that content. On TikTok, in order to be monetized and get paid as a full-time content creator on that platform, you have to have 10,000 people who follow you, and you also have to have 100,000 views within a 30-day period. And when it comes to making money and becoming monetized on YouTube, you either have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on your shorts within 90 days. So again, when it comes to monetizing and becoming a full-time content creator, this is all you guys are going to be doing. You're going to just be posting related videos, and you're going to just get money by basically promoting whatever it is that you may like. So again, decide on what it is that you can continue to post. And you got to think about it like this. Before this became possible, you were already posting every single day probably, or scrolling every single day on these platforms. You were already using your time and your energy on these platforms without getting paid, and you were doing it for free. Now that it's a possibility for you to become a full-time content creator, you don't want to overload yourself by thinking that you have to do this and you have to do that. Still enjoy it while you are doing it. Just do it in a way where you're going to have a strategy behind your posting and behind how consistent you are. So you want to look at ways for you to stay on top of it so that you can become a full-time content creator, but you don't want to overload yourself where you begin to burn out because you're thinking about how you can make this money from becoming a full-time content creator and quitting that job that you may hate. So again, just find a schedule that works for you and stick to that schedule throughout the week. Make sure you're staying consistent, make sure that you are staying relatable, and make sure that you are thinking with your target audience in mind and not what it is that you just want to post. You want to post things that you like, but at the same time you want to post things that's going to help answer questions and give insight and knowledge on a specific niche around your target audience. So whatever it is that you have knowledge in, whatever it is that you know how to do, a service or whatever, you want to make sure that you're attracting other people who can relate to that and that they can learn from you and get ideas from you. Because in order for people to watch it, it has to be something that you are giving out to them in order for them to enjoy that content. So I hope that helped you guys. I hope that explained to you guys how you can go ahead and become a full-time content creator. And there are so many different streams of income that you can actually make as a full-time content creator, but I don't want to make this video too long. So if you guys would like me to do a second video on how you can begin to make more money as a content creator outside of just the social media platforms, let me know down in the comments and I will make sure that I help you guys and assist you with making at least 3 to 5 more streams of income as a full-time content creator. So again, if you enjoyed this video or if you have any questions and concerns about becoming a full-time content creator, let me know down in the description so that I can create more videos like this to help you guys on your journey. I am Sierra Pace and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.